So a question I get a lot is, will the Rider DLX sear a steak? So I currently have it in sear mode, and I have it set on the grilling medium mode. So it's been running for about 10 minutes, and here's some spot temperatures on this center grate. And I'm measuring the top of the grate directly. See, we're getting 400 toward the outside, 500, 700, 650, 700, 500 toward the edge, 425, 500 toward the edge. Secondary zone 276. Good if you want to reverse sear. 275, 245 on this, 260. Back here, back there, 255, and dead center. Dead center is like 600. That's plenty hot for searing.